Hello everyone, this is Glenn from the Forex Robot World Cup.com.au, the Australian site on everything Forex Robot World Cup. Well, it's been just over 2 days since the EAs have been released for the Forex Robot World Cup, and I've been running the Fusion EA, which is the hybrid EA that the Forex Robot World Cup team have released. I've been running the LMD Multi-Currency, which was the winner. I've been running the High Rider, which comes second, and I've been running the Super Volcano, which comes third. So what I'm going to do is just recap over the last few days, which ends this week, or it's already ended. The trading session for this week has ceased. This is the Fusion, which is the hybrid EA that the guys at the Forex Robot World Cup developed. I started off a bit shaky because I was using 0.01 lots in the EA. I just set it as standard. The manual stated that you should use 0.01 lots per $1,000 in your trading account. Because I started off with a demo account of 50,000, I subsequently changed it to 0.5 lots after these few trades. As you can see, these ones are all winners. This must have been the scalping system that the Fusion utilizes on the Euro-US 1 minute chart. So they were the first set of trades, and as you can see from there on in, we had 0.5 lots. It looks like it utilizes 0.01 lots on the Euro anyway, as the scalping system. So yeah, and it's something that I found very interesting. The EA has been taking trades on the pound yen. Now, I don't have a pound yen chart open here, so I don't know whether it's supposed to be doing it or not, or whether it's looking at the differentials between the US and the pound US and taking a trade based on those two pairs. I'm not too sure. So either way, I've sent off an email to support to clarify whether this is supposed to be happening or not. So as you can see, there's quite a number of trades that the EA has taken over that short period of time. And what I've done is I've printed out the expert, or the statement for the Fusion. Deleted, no money. Don't know what was going on there. 10.5 lots. Not too sure what's going on there. That might have something to do with money management. 20 lots. My hat. Might fire off an email. I am utilizing money management in the Fusion, and in the manual it's stated that no, I'm not using money management. I'm just using fixed lots. But either way, that is an amazing lot size for those trades to go on all simultaneously. And obviously I didn't have any money or margin to take on those trades. Either way, so far this is the equity curve of the Fusion. A little bit of a drawdown around here, but over the next day or so, up she popped. And roughly at this stage about 5% on the account, which is, I mean, that's pretty good. I wouldn't knock back making 5% in 2.5 days. It's about 10% a week on your money. That's pretty good. Right, the next EA we've got is the LMD Multi-Currency. Now this was the one that won. Now I left it as default settings. I put money management on, and in the manual it said if they don't recommend using the money management, but if you're comfortable with higher risk, put it on. And as you can see here, it has got smashed. Not one winning trade, and a massive 60% drawdown off the original deposit of 50,000. That's in 2 days. Oh, look, it may have won the EA, but whatever you do, don't use money management on this cross pair unless you can stomach a 60% drawdown in 2 days. That's massive. The manual did state to use fixed lots, which I'm going to do next week. I'm going to set up a brand new account and start with fixed lots, because the way, or personally, if I had money in that account, I'd be panicking severely right now. But either way, that's just not very impressive at all. This is the statement for it. As you can see, it's gone one way, bang, down. That's phenomenal. Yes, so there you go. That's the LMD Multi-Currency. Now this is the high rider. This is the Euro US 5-minute system. This is actually quite impressive. I'm pretty happy with this. As you can see here, it's just all green. Green, one red, one loss. Small loss, up about a third of what the average winners were. And I'm just looking at the lot sizes here, and the lot sizes are start off at 0.3. I'm using money management on this one, and then it dropped down to 0.01. I'm not too sure. Maybe it had something to do with the time of the day. It scalps or trades. I'm not too sure, but it went back up to 0.3. Either way, it is just it's early days yet, 2 days, but wow, look at that. Boom, boom, boom. There's no stress involved with trading this EA. So far indications are that the high rider's going quite well, but like I said, it's early days, 2 days. This is the trading statement. Let's have a look here. Now that's a sweet equity curve, isn't it? It's all up. So the high rider after 2 days, and look, I'm sure after about a month, and I'll do these videos at the end of each trading week, intermittently throughout the week. That's quite nice, and if it continues doing like that, or working like that, I'm sure that anyone would be happy in trading that. Now the third one, or the fourth one I put, which is third, the Super Volcano. It's a pretty quiet EA, hasn't done a lot. Trades the pound yen cross pair. I've had one trade. Got a current trade open at the moment, which is in quite a big drawdown, but I think this is the way it works. It just puts a trade and must have a massive stop loss. It doesn't show it. There's a take profit. Oh no, that's my entry. I had a buy there, I think, a long time ago. So I'm in a trade on the pound yen at the moment. Not much to talk about the Super Volcano. Hasn't done much. Had one trade. Boom. It's had a win. So, but like I said, it's early days. So, yep, that's it. That's the 4 EAs. That's the Fusion, which is humming along quite nicely. All in the general direction we want to go, and that's up with the equity curve. The LMD, which I'm going to change, get rid of the money management and put on fixed lots, because wow, that's crazy. And this is the high rider, very impressed, and the Volcano, which isn't doing much at all. But anyway, there we go. That's the EAs I'm running at the moment. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you all updated as time goes on, and thank you very much for watching.